Welcome back to Autoscope. One of the most recognizable and popular class A diesel motorhomes on the market is the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star. The 2026 model boasts a redesigned interior, road-tested endurance, and technological advancements, making it ideal for travelers who want performance, luxury, and dependability. Outside appearance, Newmar's proprietary masterpiece finish is featured on the exterior of the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star, which comes in for new graphic and color combinations. The result of this painstaking painting technique is a glossy, mirror-like sheen. Design alternatives: Breda, Delft, Lis, and Tilburg are some examples of exterior design alternatives. The walls and roof are constructed using 16-inch aluminum frame. Has built-in gutters on a fiberglass roof. Stained glass frameless double-glazed windows, a power driver's window, and a Girard G200 side awning with LED lighting, a remote control, and a wind sensor are all included. Interior and amenities. With 5 different wood cabinet color options, including the new chestnut available in suede or high gloss, and for new interior trim options, the interior is exquisitely crafted. There is also the option of a 2-tone cabinet, a full-size Whirlpool refrigerator, a convection microwave, solid surface countertops, and other high-end appliances are all included in the roomy residential-style kitchen. Floors, for added comfort, electric heated ceramic tile floors are an option. Master bedroom. The back suite has a cozy pillow-top king bed, a private master bathroom with 2 sinks, a large glass shower, and a washing and dryer. It also has an LED TV and lots of storage. There is a Cummins diesel engine with 1,250 pounds-ft of torque and 450 horsepower. Additionally, some variants come with a Spartan K2 chassis. Strong performance and a smooth, secure driving experience are guaranteed with this setup. Steering system. Long trips are made simpler with the Comfort Drive steering system with passive steer. 5-ride rear suspension and automatic traction control offer stability.